So that's some very old Netgear thing that didn't want to work. So if you like bypass the little stupid screws and you just like cut it with a grinder, you know, in the corners, then it's very easy. So it had like a 4-pin plug going from the AC board to the router board, which had very visible tracks, which is quite nice. And it's like 3 volts positive on 2 and negative on the other 2. So that's a 6S 2-pair pack. So the one makes 3.3 volts and the other one 12 volts for the camera. But it seems happy. So the pack is 25 volt and the power supply is 25 volt. And I find 5S and 6S quite finicky. Like you have to balance everything properly. You can see problems like you miswired or whatever, or a track is burnt. If you measure between what according to you as follow-up cells, and it measures like double it, like 7.3 instead of 3. So I have to see if this thing resets.